In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Microsoft Teams notifications during your holiday. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. First, you need to sign in to your Microsoft Teams account. You can do this through your preferred web browser or by using the desktop application. Just open it up and enter your login details if prompted. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll find an icon that looks like 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options icon. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This action will open a drop-down menu that displays various options for you to explore. From this drop-down, you want to select Settings. Clicking on that will take you to your personal account configuration page, where you can adjust how Teams works for you. Now, on the left side of the Settings menu, you'll see a series of tabs. Locate and click on the one labeled Notifications and Activity. This is where you will find all the different notification options available for chats, meetings, and calls. Take your time to review the various notification settings. You'll notice options for chat messages, mentions, and missed calls, among others. To ensure you won't be disturbed during your holiday, adjust each setting. Switch them to off or silent as needed. This way, you can enjoy your time away without being interrupted by any work-related notifications. Once you've made all the necessary adjustments, make sure to close the settings window. By doing this, your changes will be saved automatically, allowing you to dive into your holiday relaxation without any distractions. And that's all there is to it. Following these simple steps will help you manage your notifications effectively, ensuring you can truly disconnect and enjoy your time off. Thanks for following along, and I hope you have a wonderful holiday.